Wash your hands.
Pizza nut! We're making English muffin pizza. Cheese, pepperoni sauce, and English muffin.
We're gonna make an English muffin pizza using our oven. So for that, we're going to need a pan to set it on for when it goes in the oven. We're gonna take our English muffin, we need to cut it in half because these are not pre-cut.
And then I'll put this on top, and I will just put the toppings on top.
We need to preheat our oven to 375. So I'm gonna do that while we're cooking. Haley, what are you doing?
Putting sauce on. Now we add the cheese. We sprinkle them on each one. So that can be yummy and tasty. We add the toppings, but which one is your favorite? So I'm gonna take out these meatballs and put them on here, these pepperonis, and put them on each one. Mom and Dad, do you want pepperoni? Mom, do you
Sure.
want pepperoni?
Mhm.
See, Daddy, you want cheese and sauce? I made one with cheese and sauce on it. And now you need help putting it somewhere. I need my mom helper.
Mom helper is here to put this into the oven. First, we need oven mitts. Haley, do you have an oven mitt? Okay. And then we need to open and put these in the oven. So I'm using my hand with the oven mitt. And then you want to close the door? We're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna wait 10 minutes for our pizza to get ready, to be done, right? What does that mean?
And it went up.
Okay, let's look at it. Do they look done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn off my timer. I'm gonna turn off my oven. Put on my oven mitts.
Got my oven mitt.
Okay, this is gonna be really hot, so we have to be careful, okay? Okay, so you stay back. Here, you can close it. Thank you. Okay, so these are cooked. I'm gonna set them up here so that I can let them cool a little bit. So we have a spatula. So after we let it cool for a couple minutes, our pan is still hot. So you're gonna still wanna use your oven mitt if you touch the pan. And then you use your spatula to put it on the plate. Like this, and then I can serve it to my family.
Eat. Put cheese, sauce, and toppings back in the fridge. Wash your dishes.